Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Jim Francis Ezonye, and if this is your first time tuning in, welcome. Guys, today I am going to show you how to achieve this beautiful, elegant updo that you can rock to anywhere, guys, to wedding, to an event, and turn heads when you step in. Let's go. So hey again, and we are starting off with freshly washed, lightly moisturized hair. I did not moisturize my hair with a peak leave-in, very light one, spray and oil. So yeah, that's it. I start off with sectioning my hair into two equal halves. So yeah, I just go ahead and do that, and for the front section I'm just going to leave it as it is already, but for the back one I'll go ahead to section it into 3 parts again. So yeah, so guys, this is the real face of someone who has just finished struggling with getting a clean part for the 3 back sections. So yeah, do not mind that. So for the back section I did the part off camera, but now I'm going to go ahead to start applying the gels that I've just shown you. So yeah, I just apply both gels to my hair, I brush them through, and then I secure with an elastic band. So that is basically what I'm going to do for the entire sections, both the back ones and the front section. Just apply the Eco Styler, apply the wax, and then brush it through, secure with an elastic band. So yeah,
ceilings, I just need a taste and my mind starts peeling. I don't pace myself, I grind on kneeling. Got lust for change, I just love the feeling. No, I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times, cause anything worth doing is a tough climb. And I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times.
so once I am done securing the entire sections, I go ahead and twist them and form them into bonds like so, and apply some mousse to catch the flyaways. You're already seeing the mousse there. So I go ahead and tie my hair down and go to bed. I did leave mine overnight, but if you walked on dry hair, there is no need for that. So this is the next day. Makeup done, hair laid and sleek, dried fully. So yeah, this is what my hair looks like when the gel is already dried. Yeah, so I did go ahead to lay my edges and apply some mousse, and then go ahead to tie it down to secure that. So now I'll be working with yarn, this Brazilian wool. I'll be working with 3 bundles of this, so 2 for the front section and 1 for the back section. So this one that I already attached to the front bun is not for the front section. I'm just going to use that bun to just braid it. So I braid this all the way to the end and fluff it out just the way that I want, and set it aside for the back section. So yeah,
or I could go heal 'em. Don't believe in fate, don't believe in ceilings. I just need a taste in my mind.
I go ahead and attach this second one. I am actually supposed to secure it to this front bond because it's basically meant for the front, but I don't know what I was thinking, and I just put it and started twisting it all the way down. But yeah, once I am done twisting it, I'm just going to secure it properly the way I was supposed to do before I started twisting. So guys, yeah, I just twist this all the way to the end. You know how twist is. You can just tie it down or use some elastic band to secure it at the end if you feel like the twist is going to unravel. So yeah,
you ready for a demon? I got eyes in the back of my head, I'm seeing. Take me for granted and you know I'm leaving. I'ma take what's mine with the
so this is what it looks like when I was all done with that one. Now this is what I was supposed to do in the beginning. Now I go ahead to secure that to that front bond. Now I take the very last bundle, the very last piece, and now this time around I won't make that same mistake. I'm just going to secure this properly to this bond because the both of them are meant for the front bond. So I just go ahead and twist this all the way to the end and secure it in such a way that the twist is not going to unravel. So that's basically it. So now that I am done with the braid and the twist, I go ahead and pick that very piece that I braided for the back section and secure it to that bond like so. Yeah. Now when I'm done with securing that piece, I go ahead and flip it over like so and begin to tuck in those little bonds into that braid. So for this hairstyle, you are going to be needing bobby pins. They are going to be your friend for this hairstyle. So I just go ahead and start placing bobby pins wherever I feel the need in order to secure this piece to my hair tightly. So yeah, I did have a bobby pin malfunction in this tutorial, but at the end of the day I made it work. So yeah, I just keep placing bobby pin wherever I feel the need to. I touch my hair and I place the bobby pin wherever I feel the need to. So yeah.
Heal them, don't believe in fate, don't believe in ceilings. I just need a taste and my mind starts peeling. I don't pace myself, I grind on kneeling. Got lust for change, I just love the feeling. I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times. Cause anything worth doing is a tough climb. And I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times. Cause anything worth doing is a tough climb. Live life for the fight, yeah, I'm here to get it.
So once I am done, placing those bobby pins in the right place, I lift those two twists in front and wrap around whatever that is left of that braid in front like so. Guys, just keep watching. I don't know if I'm explaining what I'm doing right. I just secure it like so. Yeah, now that I'm done doing that, I begin to roll this twist the way that I want. Guys, for this you can basically just roll this around just the way that you want it. The key is to keep securing with bobby pins. Whenever you roll it into the form or shape that you want, just secure them with bobby pins.
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string.
So now that I am done, rolling the one of the twists just the way that I want, I then begin to roll the second one, just basically whatever shape or form you want this to be, just roll around and secure with bobby pins. Now this is where the bobby pin dysfunction started. So I was just doing this, and then guys, at some point the bobby pin started peeling off, and then bringing out this sharp edges that are not even sticking with the hair. So guys, I was just having challenges with the bobby pin, but at the end of the day I just did my best to make sure that this works. In as much as I didn't achieve this the way that I wanted to roll it around, I couldn't, just because of the way the bobby pin was just misbehaving. So yeah.
I'm the one who's always sorry, the conclusion. Even though I offer all of the solutions, I wish you loved me like I love you, it's stupid. When I'm alone with you, I never feel lucid. I wish I wasn't struck by Cupid. I wish when I first saw you, I knew this.
So after having a lot of challenges, I wasn't supposed to roll this very one under this last piece, but just guys, I was just fed up. I was just tired of all the drama that I was having with the bobby pin. So I just decided to put this under to secure it and to make it firm and look better. Now the entire updo and the whole thing is hanging, looking as though it's hanging, but that wasn't what I intended. But at the end of the day guys, I just made this work, and yeah. So once I am done securing that part, I just go ahead and apply some mousse to that part, so that if there is any hair that is sticking out, it will just lay it flat. So yeah, I still attached more bobby pins where I needed to, and guys, that was basically it. This entire updo stressed me out because of the bobby pins, but here we are guys. This is the finished look. I really love it. Guys, attend your Christmas meetings, weddings, events, guys, with this elegant, beautiful updo. Guys, it's really beautiful. So have you subscribed to my channel yet? Guys, subscribe. Let us grow this community, guys. Give me a thumbs up if you enjoy this tutorial. Guys, drop the kind of comments you want. Did I just say comment? Drop the kind of content you want me to create in the comment section. Guys, follow me on my other social media platforms. Let us grow this community, guys. Give me a thumbs up. Once again, subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned for more videos. I love you all. Thanks for watching. Stay fabulous, stay blessed, and bye.